Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Please smash that thumbs up. Click the notification bell. I have a special feature for you. I am behind the scenes, behind the ropes, to see the original Batmobile. TV Show Cars has graciously allowed me to film for you. Please check them out on Instagram, so stay tuned. So here we have it, folks. The original iconic Batmobile. I love the Batman movies. I think Batman is the best superhero, but this is the best Batmobile in my opinion, and we are going to get an exclusive close-up that few get to have here. So let's take a look right away, folks. This thing is as it was in the TV show. TV Show Cars was gracious enough to offer me this sneak peek. Adam West, Burt Ward, folks. You know who those folks are. Let's get a look in the interior. We will be very careful not to touch this car. We would love to touch this car, but we will not. Everything as depicted in the TV show, the Bat Phone, and all the accessories. This is one stunning vehicle, folks. Again, this paint is like so many cars here. It is in impeccable condition, folks. I have not seen a more accurate depiction of the original TV show Batmobile in my life. If you don't check out this video, you don't know what you're missing. This is just something you were never going to see again. They don't make them like they used to. In most cases, they make them better. Not in this case, folks. Corvette Dan loves Corvettes, but he can't get enough of the original Batmobile. This is crazy. This is cool. It doesn't get any better. You're not going to get this kind of look, even if you show up here today, folks. World of Wheels Chicago 2024, March 9th. You may be here, but you're not getting the view I'm getting right now, so please click that thumbs up. Tune in to Corvette Dan. Again, TV Show Cars on Instagram. Check them out. I will be following them. We also have an Instagram account, as you already know. Appreciate your time. Thank you very much. Until the next one, this is Corvette Dan.